Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can enable app password for your Google account. I was trying to use my password within the Python app to log into my Google account and send email, but it is not working because Google has disabled the option to enable less secure app feature. I will show you right now. Let's go to google.com and log in with your ID and password. I have my password saved here. This is just a dummy account that I created. Let's go to your Google account and click on the security option. Here you can see there's an option which says less secure app access. This option has been disabled. It has been disabled on 30th of May, I think. Now you cannot use this feature. So if you want to log into your Google account using any third-party app, you need to enable the app password. To enable the app password, you first need to enable two-factor authentication. Let's enable it first, two-step verification. Let's log in again. You can use your phone number or other options. I will just use the phone number. It's just a dummy account, so it is not logged into my mobile. Let's wait for the SMS. Let's turn it on. Now it is on. You need to go to the back page and enable the app password. It says app password removed. It was removed earlier. Let's enable it as app password. You can select an app what you're using. If you're using mail app, calendar, contact, I'll just use other option. I'm trying to use within the Python app to send email. Let's copy the app password. The app password shows with the spaces here. When I use it, I will not use any space. It will work. The app password is created. You can see here I was getting so many errors. Now let's change this to the app password. Now the app password is given instead of the password. Let's try to send email again. I'm sending the email to another dummy account from my Google account, just hello. There's the dummy account. There's no email in inbox or spam folder, as you can see. Let's run the code again and try. It says success. Code 0 is a success. Let's check if I received the email or not. Let's refresh the page. It's not in inbox. Let's check a spam folder. It is in the spam folder because the message is very short and sent using third-party app. Now it's working. So this is how you can enable app password if you want to log into your Google account using third-party app. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.